3 tips to stand out from your competitors. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number 1 place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. If you're keen to know the 3 tips on how to stand out from your competitors, then keep on watching. The first tip is to always show your face. I can't stress how important this is. The reason why your competition is your competition because you guys have similar products and services. To customers' point of view, if you and your competitors are selling similar things, then why should they get it from you? If you're telling yourself because your price is cheaper so that people should buy it from you, then you are in an endless price war. The rule of thumb here is to never ever compete in price. Instead, you should brand yourself. If they think of ABC company, they think of you immediately. Would you rather follow a page that is constantly selling their products and services and you don't know who is behind the brand? Or would you follow a page that is constantly giving free content and you know who the person is? It is very obvious that you will choose this page, right? If today I just keep posting about my course, about how great my course is and what is the benefit of my course without giving you any valuable content, and I just hide myself behind the Canva, you have absolutely no clue who I am. Would you buy from me? The money is in the relationships. If you can successfully build relationship with your audience through showing up, then you can stand out from your competition because right now your customers buy from you because of you. Second tip is to be consistent. This one is, in my opinion, the most important. It covers every aspect of your business from social media, uploading new products, customer service to branding. In short, people like predictability. Whether it's watching the same TV show every night to buying the same coffee brand. By making things predictable for your customers, you will find that they will keep returning to your store as they know what to expect from your business. Again, you have to get into the mind of your customers and think about what would make them lose interest or keep coming back for more. So let's say one week you release a new product and stated that every Wednesday you're doing a new product release. You do it for 6 weeks, the same time every Wednesday night, and then you miss a week. What if every single week there was a customer who came and visited your page to find a new product, and for the last 6 weeks, none of the products was of interest of them? What if on the 7th week, you had something that the customers had been waiting for so long, they would buy it within minutes? But you didn't release anything, you stopped posting. The customer is on your page at the same time as every week that you posted a new product. What will more likely to happen when that customer doesn't see anything at all? They will immediately lose their interest and look for your competitors. It's so easy to lose interest these days due to everything being in one place that is really tough out there. If you have committed into doing something, then you have to keep on going and keep it consistent at all time. This exact same thing happens to my clothing business. My team has been posting the same design every time and we thought no one would purchase anymore since they have probably seen it before. But little did I know that there are always people out there who inquire each time we post. Lastly, treat your customer as fans. Every entrepreneur wants to build a company that customers are obsessed with. Think of all those people camping overnight for the latest Apple release. You want people to love your brand like that too, right? I know I do. I'm always looking for ways to make our customers happy. So happy, in fact, that when competitor comes out with a better deal, the customer isn't even tempted in the slightest. Sounds like heaven, right? I can tell you now that if you really focus on getting fans and not just customer, then you will get this too. A lot of businesses think that they don't have time to go the extra mile. Usually these are the businesses that just have customers who will leave them for the next deal from a competitor. Like I said before, when you have a fan, they will rather stick with your business that they trust and love. It doesn't take that much time, nor does it have to cost that much to show that you care for your customers. It can be something as simple as writing a small thank you note to the customers to put in the packaging. Very small and simple thing like this that can make such a big impact on how a customers feel about your business. And if you keep playing your cards right, they will turn into a fan of your business. I hope these 3 tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.